strategy is about setting yourself apart from the competition. It's not a matter of being better at what you do. It's a matter of being different at what you do. So welcome back again. Today we will discuss about different levels of strategy. So the level of strategy are different levels of strategic management that runs across the organization from the highest corporate level to the bottom operational level. So the strategy is formulated at different level. So in a diversified company with different lines of business under one umbrella, so the strategies are initiated at 4 levels. So talking about the first level, that is corporate level strategy. The corporate level strategy, it defines the markets and businesses in which a company will operate. Corporate level strategy is formulated at the top level by top management of a diversified company. So such type of the strategy describes the company's overall direction regarding its various businesses and its product lines. So the corporate level strategy, it is the highest level of all 4 levels of the strategy. So it is used to define and guidelines the direction of a company in a big picture. So the corporate level strategy defines the long-term objectives and generally affects all the business units under its umbrella. So the corporate level strategy, it is a set of strategic alternatives from which an organization chooses as it manages its operations simultaneously across several industries and several markets. So this strategy can be of different types like expansion or growth, stability, retrenchment, and combined. Talking about the second level, that is business level strategy. So the business level strategy is how the company competes with others in a market with its products or services. For a business level strategy, the company needs to determine what is the competitive advantage for each business unit. So this type of strategy is formulated at individual business level. It can be of different types. It can be like cost leadership, differentiation, it can be cost focus and focus differentiation. Business level strategy is formulated by senior managers, whereas the corporate level strategy is formulated by the top managers. After that, the next level is functional level strategy. The functional level strategy is such type of strategy which is formulated at different functional level. A functional strategy is in reality the departmental or divisional strategy. It is designed for each organizational function. So there are different type of the functions which are performed at every organization, like production, marketing, advertising, sales, human resources, inventory, financial, training, etc. So such type of these strategies can be of production strategy, marketing strategy, advertising strategy, sales strategy, human resource strategy, inventory, likewise. So we can say that a functional strategy refers to a strategy that emphasizes a particular functional area of the organization. Sometimes the functional strategy is also called as a departmental strategy. After that, moving to the last strategy, that is operational level strategy. So the operational level strategy is formulated by the plant heads, field managers, etc. So this type of this strategy is formulated at operating units of an organization. A company may develop an operating strategy for its company, for its sale area, small section, for its plants, for its site, etc. So usually the operating managers, field level managers develop the operating strategy to achieve the immediate objectives. So they can also consult the middle level managers while developing this operating strategy. So to conclude, we can say that the companies today compete in a variety of industries and market. So as they develop business level strategy for each industry or market, they also develop an overall strategy that helps define the mix of industries and markets that are of interest to them. So these levels provide businesses with a rich combination of different strategic alternatives. So thank you. Thanks a lot.